Yeah, it's MI.
11X.
Yeah.
Yes. Wow! I got the phone by magic.
Yes.
See this.
So
Is
what
this
will
mine?
do? Yeah, it's yours.
So we will test the phone, check the specification, and this is the honest review.
So what we will do? We will unbox it, and then we will test the phone. We will see the specification. We will check other features also,
Yeah.
and accordingly we can give our view. And as Arvind told, it is a honest review, so you can trust on us fully. It is not at all a paid review. So whatever we will say, it is based on our experience and our feeling. So let's unbox it. So before unboxing, just see what are the written in the box. So if you see, this is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870. It has 120 Hz of display, full HD display, 48 MP triple camera, 4520 mAh battery. Battery is little bit of lower side, but as the company claims, Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 took very less power, so that's why maybe 4520 will be enough. And this is made in India. So the most beautiful thing or the most perfect thing of this phone is it is made in India. So it's a very decent look packet, we can say.
Yes.
In the top of the box also it is written it is a 5G phone, and here it is mainly written Snapdragon 870. So let's unbox it.
And its MRP is like for 30,000. For some discounts, we got it in the 28,000.
Okay, so let's unbox it.
Yes.
So let's unbox it. So this is, I think, maybe, what is this inside?
I think
Maybe
the user
box.
manual.
Yeah, this is SIM tray ejector pin.
Yeah, user.
This
And
is
it has
user manual.
1 year warranty also.
Yeah, definitely. It is called USB Type-C headphone adapter. So what is new in this? I don't know.
Let's open it.
Okay.
Oh, I see. I think there is no aux port.
Yes, so no aux port. So it is the adapter. Okay.
And you can see a charging case also.
Yeah, so this is actually the case, back cover.
Yes. This is a decent quality, so we will buy a separate one. And look the phone.
And this is the phone.
Is
so
it light?
looking really very beautiful. Yeah.
Is it light?
It's light also. And what are
Comfortable?
the other things?
There is the charger.
Nothing. This is charger. And if you see the charger, it should be fast charging charger.
Yes, 33 watt.
Yeah, so it is 33 watt fast charging charger. And this is the charging
Type-C cable.
This is the Type-C charging cable. So nothing else.
Yes.
So these are the items we got with the phone. So what we'll do, we'll put the phone on, power on, and we'll see the performance. We'll test the performance. We'll see the features and the display quality and everything we'll check.
Yes.
So let's open it.
Yeah.
It's
Wow.
really looking very beautiful.
Rainbow color. Its color is sunset. It is available in
You can
3
see.
types.
The color is very beautiful, and this is the camera. So camera is little bit pull up type of things. So, and here I think this
Is it glass?
This is not glass, maybe glass. So this is, I think, power button. This is volume rocker, and here in bottom there is the SIM tray. This is the speaker. This is the Type-C port. Here is the noise cancellation. So it's really looking very good. So let's power on for the first time.
Yes. Wow.
So it is getting on.
Yes.
And another thing, it has
Punch hole camera.
punch hole camera.
5G.
So it may took some time to
MIUI
get it fully
12.
on. Yeah, because we have to give some setting. We have to provide some information over here.
It's the same as Poco setup.
Yeah. Checking the SIM card, no SIM card yet inserted, so we will insert the SIM card. So this is whatever available Wi-Fi. So you see it is taking 5G, so as it is a 5G phone, it is also taking the 5G. I have the 5G broadband in my home, so that's why it is also taking this 5G. So we will connect it later.
Yes. So let's
Accept.
accept. So let's skip
This
it.
step, yeah.
So agree.
Classic. It's a normally MIUI setup complete.
Yes.
So it is loading the app. It is pretty fast.
Yes.
It
It's
was-
just the same of Poco.
Yeah. The user interface is like Poco or some MI is using the same user interface, so there is no customization
Yes.
as of now. So whatever this setup we have done, there is no customization. It is almost same with other MI phone and Poco. One thing is, if you see the back side of the phone, it is little bit of slippery type of things. There is no matte finishing over there, except that this color.
Glaze.
Yeah, it's lazy. It's looking good. So it is still loading up. It is taking some time to load up. As we are booting it first time, power it on for the first time. So
Yes.
here if you see the SAR level is also mentioned over here. This 1.6 W by kg. So
Yes.
SAR level is also mentioned. It is made in India. So again we have told earlier also we have told that it is made in India.
Yes.
So it's taking some time, and I
So
think
it's
it is
done.
done. Yeah.
Wow.
So
Really
it's
nice.
really looking nice.
So see, here is the phone, and if you see, if you open the phone, it has very cool type of animation of
Okay.
wallpaper.
Okay.
It's really cool.
Okay.
Let's see again. Wow, of
Yes.
Mars.
It's like a little bit of live wallpaper type of thing.
Yes.
So what is the menus and other thing? You just check it.
And you see, if you pull over here, it will also come here and there. So let's see if about phone. It has MIUI 12 and the storage occupied is 17.7 GB. So let's see, it has Android 11. So really good.
Okay.
So let's check the apps things. It has some less apps. Here is all the Google apps
Yeah.
and some tools.
These are the pre-installed apps.
Yes.
So what we need to do, we need to just log in
Yeah.
and need to connect with the internet.
Yes.
So
we
let's
will
try.
the
Let's see the SIM ejector tray.
Yes.
So just open. So we'll use the SIM ejector
Yes.
pin to open the SIM ejector tray.
Yes. Let's open it. So let's take out the SIM reader too.
Yeah. So this is the SIM ejector tool, SIM ejector tray, or you can say SIM tray. Actually, here there is no micro SD
Yes.
place for micro SD. Actually, it is only 2 SIM. You can put only
Yes.
2 nano 5G SIM. Only. Let's insert the SIM. You can see.
Yes.
It is very easy.
Yes.
And now put it in the phone.
Here we put it. So let's put it. So we have put the SIM. Let's slide
So
it
this is
in.
one of the drawbacks. So
Yes.
it has a hybrid. It is not at all a hybrid type of SIM tray. It is just a SIM tray which can accept only 2 SIM there is a no option to insert any memory
so it's
card.
checking for tower in the
Yeah,
same.
so
It
there
got
is no
4G.
option of putting or inserting the memory card. So that is one of the most drawback. I think MI should take care of this.
Yes.
Only 2 SIM can be inserted. So this is one of the negative point of that
Drawbacks.
phone. So
Yeah. So see, we have put the SIM and it has detected the tower. It has already 68% in it.
okay, in it it is already 68% charged
Yes.
actually. Yeah.